Alright guys, so I'm here picking up my Alpinestars boots.
Hi there.
Hi. Oh, very good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Be safe out there.
Yes, thank you very much. Yep. Alright guys, so I've got my boots. I haven't worn these in a couple of weeks. I've been wearing just like these sneakers here. And I had an issue with both boots. Now, ordinarily you wouldn't have this issue at all because I do a lot of walking on beaches. Most motorcyclists will just be riding. They won't be, walking on beaches, getting their boots damp or wet. I'm always walking on grass and stuff like that, so my boots are going to take more of a beating than just your average rider, because they're just basically riding on their motorcycle. They're not really getting off and on and walking beaches and stuff like that. Alright guys, so we're going to check them out and see how they came out. They said there was no guarantee, when I dropped them off. How you doing? Thank you. Alright, so I got the boots. Let's see if I can find a spot where I can take a look at them and change. If they came out okay, I can change. Change my sneakers and put my boots on. That really still. Because my boot is actually hitting when I go to turn. Alright guys, I'm going to find a spot. Maybe over here by that church over there, maybe? Alright, here goes. Any empty spots. Just somewhere where I can park. I can't really turn that good to the right because my boots are hitting up against the tank. Oh, here's a spot. Alright guys, so let's check them out. Now you have to understand, these boots are 5 years old. Alright, so they've been through a lot. A lot. Alright, so it looks pretty good. You can see right there, there's the glue that they used. They said what they were going to do was remove the heel and then file it down, and I'm not really sure if they did that, if they just glued it at the top here, because this is where it had come loose. So let's check out the other one. This one here had broken away on the side here. Okay, so I mean, it looks pretty good. It had broken away here, as you can see there. But other than that, you know, everything else was okay. The heels were okay. So yeah, so this is a place, Larossa, established 1923. Alright, so they put my boots back together again. And so far, they look okay, you know? Alright, so let's put the boots on. Alright, so these are my Cortezes. I get stuck in the rain wearing these things, guys. So they basically had to dry out. But yeah, let's see. They feel fine, you know, like my other boots felt prior to being repaired. How you doing? No, I'm just trying on my boots. I just picked them up. I'm gonna leave maybe in like a couple minutes. So come back. If you don't find a spot, come back and you can have this one. All right. All right, so she was just looking for a spot. This is a hospital parking lot right here. So let me just... these on. There they are, guys. Now this here wasn't like that. I don't know what they did here, but that wasn't like that. That wasn't like that either, but that's it, guys. Here we go. Back in business. I'm eventually gonna have to buy a brand new pair. You know, these will be my rain boots. I'll only use these in the rain, but oh yeah, and there's another issue I have too. It's in this bag right here, guys. I'm gonna do a separate video on that. Alright, so I'm gonna put these in here. Actually, yeah, I'll put them in there. And I might keep this bag. Pretty decent bag. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it. I got my boots back in business. They feel fine, you know, I don't really feel a difference. And they're just much better than wearing sneakers. So if you haven't purchased a pair of boots yet, you know, Alpinestars is a great choice. And, you know, it offers more protection than just sneakers. Alright, but I gotta say, guys, it was kind of nice riding in sneakers versus the boots. You know, it does take a little getting used to when you first buy boots, you know, because you're so used to wearing sneakers. But once you get used to the boots, it's tough going back to the sneakers, you know, because you just feel like your foot isn't that protected, you know. Alright, so I'm going to put these here and then go make another video. I'm going to open this space for somebody, you know. So alright, guys, so that's going to do it. That's my boots. Just picked them up. They're now back on my feet, and we're back in business. Alright, we're good to go. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.